How to delete credit card from Shopify. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can tap open your Shopify application or head over to shopify.com in a preferred browser. To currently delete your credit card, there is a workaround that you can use. You can actually replace the credit card. For this, you need to go to your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the settings option. From here, head over to billing. Edit your billing profile. In the current billing cycle section, click on Edit Billing Profile. Find the payment method, locate the credit card that you want to replace. Click the three-dot icon or the menu icon next to the card and choose the Replace Credit Card option, which will allow you to enter the details of a new card. Once you have replaced the old card with a new one, the old information becomes inactive within Shopify. However, it depends upon your region and the application version to conduct this process as well. If you cannot do so, head over to the help icon and choose the option of contact support, in which you can easily enter your issues and queries. That is how you can easily replace, delete, or remove your credit card from Shopify. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.